Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to set different cleaning settings for each room on DREAME D20 Plus. If you'd like to set different cleaning settings for different rooms, you need to click on this button Custom right here and then select Customize. Now click on Set. And then you can click on the room that you would like to customize and you can change the cleaning mode to Vacuum, Mop, or Vacuum and Mop. Then you can change the suction power to Quiet, Standard, Intense, or Max. And or depending on what you have set, because if you have Mop you won't see it, but you can change the suction power, the mop wetness, and the amount of cycles performed in that room. And you can change the other room to different settings. So I'll do the kitchen to just vacuum, and I'll do living room to vacuum and mop. And I'll do 2 cycles of vacuuming in the kitchen. I'll do intense suction power. Oh, sorry, I did it in the living room. I'll do intense 2, and then here I'll do vacuum and mop. And I'll do standard, mop wetness 20, and the amount of cycles will be 1. And now it's set to different settings. I can now approve it and start cleaning by clicking on the clean button. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.